Our first experience of working with women in prison was more than 10 years ago, and it was that experience. I was a women's wear programme director at that time, and I really understood how remarkable fashion could be and the way in which it breaks down barriers and it can encourage extraordinary talent and creativity. And we realised that Making for Change, when we'd set it up in the prison, that there was a gap between the prison and then coming back into society and the community. So building on that, Making for Change Popular Works extends our work and our projects into the community, and it provides yet a much more accessible creative space.
We reach out to the local community by working with the great range of sewing groups, knitting groups, community centres and other support services that already exist in the local area. So over the past few years we've been working with them to meet their communities, deliver workshops together and find out what kind of programmes they'd like to see on offer at Popular Works. We run a range of programmes. This ranges from short taster sessions. We've run badge and bow making family workshops in the local community. This has also led on to running more advanced skills development programmes. We also offer vocational courses on site at Popular Works. So for people who are more interested in actually developing a career or more knowledge of the fashion industry, they can come and undertake our programmes, which are an introduction to fashion production.
So support that we offer to the course participants is I meet all students on a one-to-one basis, and in that meeting I try to find out what their needs are, their wants, what they hope to get from the course, where they want to go after the course. I also support them with any kind of issues that they may have, so for example with the bursary or anything externally, so for example issues with the job centre and so on. Once they finish the course, what we hope to do is we hope to give them opportunities of work experience. So that would involve maybe working in our production team or with any of our partners that we've made along the way. We also offer workshops specifically based around the things that they have expressed.
We really kind of engage everybody. So we engage our students, our staff, the participants, the women in prison, and the projects are developed in such a way that everyone has a voice, everyone really can understand their contribution, what they've done to that project. So not only do we share the starting of the project, we share its success and its journey, and we bring everyone on the journey with us.
I am tasked with just really promoting what we're doing here at Making for Change. We're looking at an innovative way of manufacturing here. We are helping customers, for example, look at a more circular way of manufacturing. So it's not just about the end product, but it's really about designing with circular and sustainable ethos in mind. And partnering with big companies allows us to be more visible to the world in general, to the industry in general, but also we can help those big companies in how they approach manufacturing, how they approach clothing and design, and really how they are thinking about sustainability in the products that they do. So industry collaborations are really important to us, and it's something that I'll be focusing on in the future. The fact that it is within a university is a really special and a really unique opportunity to offer training for the community that we're here. The women from Downview can take that training further when they come through to Popular Works. And also in terms of offering experiences to the students at UAL. So training is the core of what we're doing here. Not just in skills, but also in the way of looking at how clothing and our relationship with clothing will develop in the future.